focus on my chin. Okay. I look like Poopy because I just got my wisdom teeth out. This is as much as I can smile. I'm in pain, but that's okay. I went bowling yesterday, like 5 games in a row. I found out that when I bowl, I do lunges, and I didn't stretch before I did my lunges, so my legs hurt so bad. Because I'm pathetic and unathletic. But anyways, I went to the doctor, dentist, surgeon guy today, and I went to sleep. And then I woke up, and I was scared because I thought they weren't done yet. And I was like, ah! I was like to let them know that I was awake. And they're like, you're done. I'm like, oh good, because I would have been horrified. And so now, it took forever to stop bleeding. But I like pain medication. Pain medication is cool. I like it. I'm on it right now. It's like, and makes me very sleepy. I've been sleeping all day and eating ice cream. I didn't say anything funny afterwards, not really. I wasn't as high as most people are coming out of it. I was pretty sane. I was just tired. But, it was fun. It's really not as bad as I thought it would be. The worst part was just the blood, because looking at blood isn't a problem, and if I'm bleeding, it's not a problem. But if I'm bleeding in my mouth, I want to taste it. That's gross. I'm a bad vampire. Okay, well, to anyone who's about to get the wisdom teeth out, it's really not that bad, nothing to be afraid of. I was a little nervous at first, because they hooked me up to all this stuff, and there was a bunch of beeping going on, but then I fell asleep, so it didn't matter. Okay, well, have a good day. Bye-bye.